Editing student and parent information. To edit student or parent information, go to School Setup, click Enroll Students in Learning Center, and click the View Students icon under the Action column. You can search for students by their status, or in the search field. To add a parent account to an existing student, click on the green plus icon in the parent column. Simply fill out the information and click Save. To edit an existing parent's information, click the green pencil icon in the parent column, make changes, and click Save. To remove a parent from a student account, click the red X icon in the parent column. Just as you can edit a parent's information, you may also edit a student's information by clicking on the green pencil icon in the Action column. Please note, students are automatically set as active. You may change their status to inactive if they leave your school. Warning, this will remove all assigned ePACEs. It is highly recommended that you generate all necessary reports before making a student inactive. Do not change a student's status to graduated until he has completed all his ePACEs and tests. Once a student is marked as graduated, you cannot undo this change. After making all your changes, click Save. If you would like to delete a student from the ePACE system, you may do so by clicking the red X icon. If your student is moving to a different learning center, you may click the green Move button in the Learning Center column. Then select the new learning center and click Save. You may also promote a student to the next level by clicking the Promote Level button. Select all the students you would like to promote, then click Promote. This will move all the selected students one level up.